What else? Why are you bringing stuff up? What do you got there? Some new kits. Oh, thank you. So we got some new kits from Meng, and this is one of the new ornithopters. What do they call it?
What did you call it? An ornithopters?
Ornithopter. A helicopter has the blades, the two blades or multiple blades that spin, they rotate, and they're helical, right?
Yes.
And that gives it lift.
And also its name.
Yes. An ornithopter is something that uses wings.
And flaps.
Yeah, so this is a flappy vehicle.
A flappy helicopter.
That's right. And let's have a close look.
Is it real?
It's not real. So this is from the latest Dune series.
What do you mean series? It's a book.
Well, it was a book, but there's a new series of movies.
Oh.
And this is from the newer movie. There's actually the second one.
How can you have a series of movies from a book?
Well, they made a movie.
Of the movie?
Yeah. And now they've got they cut into multiple parts. You know, it's a bit like Lord of the Rings. That's from a book. They made 3
Is that
bits
just
of it.
one book?
Hey?
I don't know. Is it one book?
Lord of the Rings, yeah.
I've not read the book.
Yeah, it's a big book.
Or seen the movies.
Yeah.
Well, Dune's a big book.
Well, apparently so. I started reading it, and then I stopped.
It's a whopper. It's like 800 pages from memory.
Is it? So you get your multiple wings there. So this version is actually the Harkonnen version. Now, I didn't realize there were differences when I watched the movie, because I thought the ornithopters were just designed and just used there by the Harkonnens. Then when the Atreides house came in, they just used whatever was there. But there's this version, and then there's also this version, which is the Atreides version. So I'm a bit hard pressed to see differences, but you can see differences when you look at them on the side here.
It's like Ford and Holden, mate. They're completely different. Yes, they both have 4 wheels.
So the cockpits look slightly different shape. Overall design is very much the insect sort of dragonfly look.
I like it.
They're pretty cool, aren't they? So we got those in. So they're
what scale are they?
Little kits. Do they have a scale? I don't know if they do have a scale.
Well,
but they're little.
They're
tiny.
Real. They're not real.
They're tiny.
A scale is something. A scale is something that doesn't exist.
The spice harvester.
The what?
Because it's all about controlling the spice.
Yes.
The spice is very important.
You know me, I like to turn up the spice.
Don't you?
Yeah.
You just open up the jar, none of this sprinkling, just pour the whole thing in. Right?
Gashing.
So again. So little kits. So cute little kits. Unusual for Meng is do quite a unusual mix of subjects. You know, quite often they'll stick with military type real life models, tanks, aircraft, but then they'll go offshoot and do like this sort of stuff.
And these are all brand new molds.
Yes, brand new. And these ornithopters actually designed so that they have a base, and also you can have the wings out in flight mode or folded back in landed mode. What have you done there? You just ripped it open.
Smash the box open.
What do you got there?
I'm showing people what you get.
What do we get?
Because I don't know.
So that's a bit too tight, isn't it?
I'm just trying to get a bit of
that's
context.
A little guidebook, because the instruction manual is actually on the back.
So it's only got, well, it's actually got a few parts in there, doesn't it?
Yeah, well, it's got the rotating wings and such.
It's a chunker. So it is posable somewhat. Yeah?
Yeah. So it's probably got 2 different types of undercarriage. But it's not particularly big. I'm trying to find the fuselage. Where is the fuselage?
There, that's one part. And then there's a tail part that clips onto it.
Is it?
Yep.
Where's that?
The tail part?
Yeah.
That's on the B sprue.
B? Oh, that's on there.
I reckon you could build that one in the bag.
I've only seen that done once. And it was done by the panda.
That's right. Building a model in a bag.
That's right. It was the sprue and everything left inside.
Yeah. And he was missing he reckoned he was missing a part.
You probably accidentally pushed it out, right?
I tend to believe. Well, he didn't really have any holes in the bag, did he?
Didn't he? Oh, well, there you go. Yeah, he's a man who enjoys his challenges. So that is Ornithopters, Harkonnen and Atreides. Looking forward to seeing the new movie, actually.
Why? What was
The
wrong with
first
the
one
old
was
one?
quite. No, the first one was good. Just left it unanswered. I need a conclusion.
Not sure.
All right, so we got Dune themed kits. What's
It's
we got here?
funny because it's spelled with a D.